LuxAlgo is a premium indicator suite for TradingView designed to give traders clear buy-sell signals, trend analysis, overlays, oscillators, and automation, all in one package. You get multiple toolkits, signals and overlays with entry, exit, and confirmation signals, the matrix oscillator for momentum and divergence signals, price action concepts letting you track breakouts, tests, and trend patterns. It's highly customizable. Tweak sensitivity, choose candle types like Hike and Ashi, overlay trend lines, and set alerts via webhook. And yes, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test it risk-free. That rhymed. Intuitive design, you get clean visual alerts, overlays built to reduce clutter, AI-enhanced analytics. Research shows it speeds up signal recognition by 42% compared to manual methods. Highly customizable alerts. You can integrate it with TradingView alerts and webhook tools to automate your trades, and solid add-on value. It complements TradingView's native tools with more powerful signal and trend insights. From Reddit's r/TradingView thread, after a month using LuxAlgo, one was quoted saying, "LuxAlgo is definitely a valuable indicator. With these settings on the 1M charts, it made 64%, 6,400 in a few hundred trades." Another Redditor adds, "I've tried every type of indicator. LuxAlgo is the only one I've kept paid for premium. And Trustpilot goes, excellent responsiveness, very friendly." If you trade frequently and want a robust signal suite to complement TradingView, LuxAlgo offers AI-enhanced customizable alerts, all-in-one toolkits for entries, exits, and trend analysis, and real-world application with verified user success and active support. It's a serious tool for serious traders, especially those committed to backtesting setups and managing strategy parameters. Thank you so much for watching.